Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Dr. Fakhriyat. You are watching our YouTube channel Medicosphere. Here we will discuss about the histology of the eye. First of all, we will discuss about the anatomy of the eye. Anatomy of the eye, it consists of three layers: fibrous layer, vascular layer, then the neuronal layer. Fibrous layer with the black represent, it consists of two things. Number one is the cornea, number second is the sclera. Cornea is the 1/5 of the fibrous cord. This is the 1/5 of the fibrous cord. Then the sclera, it consists of the, this is the sclera. It consists of the 5/6 of the fibrous layer. Then the name represent vascular layer. It contains vessels. It consists of this is the red layer containing choroid. It contains choroid, then the ciliary body, then the iris. Then the next layer is the neuronal layer. Neuronal layer consists of the pigmented layer. This is the pigmented layer or the retinal layer. Now the most important about the, this is all consist of, this is optic nerve, this is lens. Now the most important about the histology point of view, we will discuss the three main important. Number one is the cornea, then the sclera, then the retinal layer. First of all, we will discuss about the cornea. Cornea consists of 5 parts. Number 1, number 2nd, number 3rd, number 4th, number 5th. Number 1, it's a corneal epithelium. It consists of corneal epithelium. Corneal epithelium with the stratified squamous non-keratinized. Why it is said to be stratified? Stratified many different, many layers, consist of many layers of the squamous. These are the squamous cell and the many layers stratified squamous. Then the non-keratinized. Why non-keratinized? Because it contains nucleus. Then the most important is the second is the Bowman's membrane or the limiting membrane, which limits and separate corneal epithelium from the corneal stroma. Number third, the most important is the corneal stroma. Corneal stroma mainly consists of type 1 collagen fiber. This is the lamella of the collagen fiber. Lamella of collagen fiber and consists of type 1 collagen and mainly consists of the, these cells are called as the keratocytes. The most important MCQ. Number fourth layer is the deciment membrane. Why it's called as the deciment membrane? Because it separates corneal stroma and the corneal endothelium. Number fifth layer is the corneal endothelium. Now we have discussed about the remembering corneal epithelium first, corneal endothelium on the 5 point, then limiting membrane, Bowman's membrane and the deciment membrane. Number 1 जो middle में है, that's called as the corneal stroma. That we all discuss about the histology of the cornea. The most important is the histology of the sclera. Here we have taken the cross section of the hair cross section. Sclera, here it is a sclera, then the most important red layer is a choroid. Here it is the choroid. Then the sclera. Sclera consists of 3 layers. Number 1, episclera. Episclera, here outside the sclera, this side of the episclera, which consists of the loose connective tissue. You should remember these names only. And the sclera proper, middle layer, and the suprachoroidal lamina. Suprachoroidal lamina name represent, this is the choroidal layer and above it is the suprachoroidal lamina. That these 3 layers represent with the sclera. And we have discussed about the 5 layers of the cornea and the 3 layers of the sclera. That we all discussed about the cornea and sclera. The most important is the layers of the retina. There are the 10 layers of the retina. Number 1 is the retinal pigmented epithelium. Epithelium of the retina is the retinal pigmented epithelium. Then the most important is the next layer is the layers of the rod and cones. Rod and cone layers consist of the rod and cone cells. Then the external limiting membrane. Then it consists of outer nuclear and the inner nuclear. Here you will move out outer nuclear, inner nuclear, then the outer plexiform and the inner plexiform. Here these four are more important. In the series point of view, you may remember. Number one is the outer nuclear layer, outer plexiform, inner nuclear layer, and the inner plexiform. On the behalf of it, outer nuclear consists of outer nuclear, then the outer plexiform, then the inner nuclear, the inner plexiform. Number other layer is the ganglion cell layer. Ganglion cell layer consists of two little ganglion cells. Then the next layer is a nerve fiber layer, which is the most important. Then the last but not the least is the inner limiting membrane. These on the red color basis, this is the external limiting membrane and the internal limiting membrane. It contains of the mainly 10 layers of the retina. Here we will revise about the number one is the retinal pigmented epithelium. Number second is the layer of rod and cones. Number third is the external limiting membrane. Number fourth is the outer nuclear layer. Number fifth is the outer plexiform, inner nuclear, inner plexiform, then the ganglion cell layer, nerve fiber layer, and the inner limiting membrane. You may remember these all names, and which is the most important SCQ of the UHS and the NUMS point of view. That is the most important, and in physiology you may remember, physiologists may be asked in the physiology also. You may remember this layer of the retina, 10 layers of the retina. We have all discussed about the histology of the cornea, sclera, and the retina. Thank you so much. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz. Please like and subscribe our channel Medicos Fever, and remember us in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.